Unboxing and rack installation. Thank you for choosing our machine. Upon receipt, please first check the cardboard box for any damage. If there is any damage, please take a photograph for your records. Once you have confirmed that the box is undamaged, open it and inspect the machine for any damage. If there is any damage, please take a photograph for your records. Once the inspection is complete, open the machine frame packaging. Select the appropriate screwdriver and follow the steps in the video to assemble the machine frame. It is to have two people working together during assembly. Please take care to ensure safety.